switched over to, we're now using the Euro 4 camera, number 4, camera 2. We ran out of SD card memory on the Euro 4 number 1 camera. We're at Rincon. The town of Rincon was right all through here. Oh well. Oh well. Oh, I hope this video don't get corrupted. Half curved trestle. This is a half curve of a trestle. You can see it. You can see it down there, Wade. Half curved trestle. It's just a little one. Video 1 on Euro 4 number 2 camera on Thursday, July 13th, 2023, on our way up to Roaring Camp. 109 p.m. We're on our way to the Stone Arch, Inspiration Curve, and the Garden of Eden.
Right after the first year, Cowell himself, the man that owned all this from San Francisco, early on. Spent one night in the cook's cabin, which had bars on the window. Then in the morning, you'd queue up, and he'd give you your salary. He knew if you'd been sick a day, he'd charge you $1.75 room and board if you were not working. Once you were done, another man would say, hey, what do you think? You want to sign up and do another year? You realize you were committing to a full year.
We're at my post 125. Okay, I won't hurt. I'm not going to hurt.
Also, most lumber companies did the same thing too. And speaking of lumber, that was the third industry. Gunpowder was the first. Lime production, there were several lime quarries in this area. Lumber was the number 1 industry. You're looking at secondary growth. The trees that preceded these trees, though, you'll see some right as we get to Roaring Camp. Massive examples of it. Now, to chop down a coast redwood, you have to be very, very skilled. Because if you don't put it down right, it'll twist. If it twists, it splits. If it splits, you're fired. You and one partner, you're working on a tree, sometimes 5 days a week. You might be on the job at 4 in the morning, chop until it was so dark you couldn't see what you're doing. Initially, they just used axes, but after a while, they started using a saw. The nickname was Misery Whip. 16-foot saw, one hand to either end. They learned very quickly, don't cut the base of the tree. You go up 6, sometimes 10 feet. Put in a notch, stand on a springboard on either side, and the wood tends to be much easier to cut. Not a grit in it to dull your saw. After doing it for maybe 4 days, you hear a snap and pop, you jump off the springboard, run for cover. And praying that the tree went down probably into the cradle. You probably created a cradle for it. You drag oats and drugs into the path of the tree to further ensure it didn't split. Once it got to the ground, it was dragged on skid roads. A skid road is basically a dirt road lined with logs, kind of like railroad ties without tracks. Greased oftentimes just with water, pulled by teams of oxen. 6, 8, sometimes 10 in twos. A man who would walk next to them, he was called the bull whacker, and that's exactly what he did. He had a bullwhip, 18-foot bullwhip, and he would encourage those oxen to pull those logs towards the mill.
Oh my goodness.
Stone Arch.
Now, the term Skid Row, we know that Skid Row is kind of a dicey section of town. It comes from the old days, the logging days. If you lived in a house that was near where all the logs came in, it was not very good. You had a lot of dust and dirt, probably oxygen found everywhere. Once you want to pull back into town, we still kept that word Skid Row. It means not a very good section of town. We're going to go through a narrow cut here. Usually have a tunnel up to the left, but just as soon as we come out of this, look to the right. You'll see folks down in a very famous swimming hole, the Garden of Eden. German sausage last time we been to this market. Have I been there? No, we were. So we had sausage last time. Good. Boiled potatoes, sauerkraut. Yeah. Well, you gotta check out the Freedom Locker. I know. Well, I sampled it, but I've never been there. My daughter-in-law didn't swear about it. It's really good. Good American stuff. There you go, Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden.
Little rivulet that falls in. Really wet here. I've been down there, but there's a little tiny waterfall.
Just up ahead is the Felton Junction, the old narrow gauge right away that went into Felton. Up here in about 2-3 minutes. Probably 2 minutes. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. That'll get him. A lot of people up here today. We're at milepost 120s coming into 126. Wow, wow. This show you the old Felton Junction narrow gauge right away. Get away from the track!
Oh, Jesus Christ. He fell down. He looked.
Wow, wow. There's the old Felton Junction. Right in there, the old narrow gauge.
The river down below is called the San Lorenzo, named in 1769 by gas producer Roland. Across the river mouth on St.
We're coming over the river just about another minute. We're at milepost 126 right now.
Watsonville, and it was a Native American encampment that had been deserted, and they had a figure of a bird hanging from a tree.
They're getting ready to cross the river on the San Lorenzo River. The bridge was built in 1875, but was redone in standard gauge in 1909.
He said, we've seen trees of unusual
Here comes the bridge. We're only about a half a mile away from Roaring Camp.
Cypress tree is the only type of tree. An extended inlet tree, 1847. This was a whole new genus of tree. Because he proved it, he was given the honor of naming the genus. He came up with the name Sequoia. Let's have his contour because Sequoia was a great Native American. It was a Cherokee Nation. Great man for great reason. He invented it. 86 letters that made the Cherokee Nation. Surveyors that came all the way across the U.S. and supposedly helped put together the Bear Flag Revolt, which got California's independence. That tree, I was in there yesterday with my grandson. We had our little iPhone, took our flashlight out, you stand up and set a little shelf in there. It's pretty fun in there, so I recommend going in there. At one point in time, many years ago, a Cowell, a guy that makes shoes, lived there.